G'day guys, welcome to this week's video. Today we're going to be tripping around Butrint National Park in Albania. The entire video is going to cover that. I'm going to do quite a lot of filming around the ruins here. Really cool thing about this place is it's got Roman ruins, as you can see directly in front of me right there, and Venetian ruins right there. So lots of really cool things. I'll tell you all about it, do some videoing and put some information over the screen, so stick around. I'll also tell you how to get here, how I got here, and also what it costs to get in and what you can do here. Right guys, stick around and hopefully you'll enjoy the video. These first few frames of this video give you an idea of what the special feature I think of Butrint is. The area is basically a great big parkland of UNESCO ranked heritage sites. Right here you're seeing Roman bath ruins right beside a fairly well preserved Venetian tower. So the whole area has got relics from Roman times, Venetian times, Ottoman times, even from the Byzantine era. So that's the great beauty of the area. So the Romans colonised the Butrint area officially in 44 BC. There were settlements prior to that, but the official colonisation was 44 BC. So you'll see ruins from that era here. After the Roman Empire fell, it became an episcopal centre for quite a while. And then in the 9th century, the Byzantines took over for a while. They were eventually pushed out by the Venetians, who didn't last very long before the Ottomans came in and took over. So a lot of different cultures have been here, and there's impressions of each of those cultures in this site. When we get to the Venetian Castle itself, there actually is quite a decent little museum in the castle. Unfortunately, it does have a no photography sign on the entry, um, which I didn't see initially, and got quite severely growled at by the guard, and rightly so. So I have no video for you or photography for you from there. Otherwise, all the video I've got for you is just the external environment, which is incredible. Some fantastic views from there as well. Right beside the Venetian Castle is a cafe and a little restaurant. Now that place has seen better times. It's very, very poorly looked after. You can quite literally fall through the floor if you're not careful where you're walking. So I'd love to see them put some investment into fixing that at some time. But other than that, this place is a fantastic location to go walking around a bushland and mangrove forest, looking at ancient relics and just enjoying the scenery of the day. So well worth going to. It takes about half an hour to drive to Butrint from Saranda. I use my hire car, so it was one of the days I had my hire car. You can catch a bus; it will cost you about €2 or €3, or you can get a cab, but of course that's going to cost you a fair bit. Entry fee to get in, it's €10. Other than that, it's a nice cheap day out enjoying nature and our global history.